Vietnamese roti is just a shorter version of saying rotisserie in Vietnamese. It's a great and simple chicken recipe to eat with rice or even have it in a bánh mì. Marinate your chicken with garlic powder, black pepper, maji or soy sauce, and fish sauce. Mix that all together and then put it aside. Let it marinate for 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, chop your lemongrass. I usually like to smash my lemongrass and then peel the outer layers. Some people like to put this in a food processor to chop it, but I find that it loses its flavor and essence of the lemongrass. Chop your garlic along with your shallots. Then in a large skillet on medium heat, add oil, and then your chicken with the skin side facing down, and cook it for 3 minutes on each side without touching the chicken. If you're using a smaller skillet, then you might have to do this in 2 batches. I actually love using a cast iron pan. To make the caramel sauce, you would need equal amounts of oil and sugar, and let it heat up for a few minutes. And then once the sugar is melted, then you add your aromatics, which are chopped garlic and chopped shallots along with the lemongrass, and cook it for a couple of minutes. And then add your chicken with the skin side down. This is certainly not your traditional rotisserie, but what I love about it is that it has a nice tint of lemongrass. Add coconut water, then cover the pan with a lid and cook it for 20 to 30 minutes depending on the thickness of your chicken. I usually like to rotate my pan only because usually one side cooks more than another. Once you remove the lid, cook it on medium-high heat for an additional 10 minutes and you're ready to serve. With chicken, it's very important to let the chicken rest for 10 minutes and then you slice it. And the end result will be a super juicy chicken.